Thikuni ni tu thutha wa muthurimi wa mbeca cia thirikari kurekereria ndumiriri ati makiria ma ciringi mbirioni 1 ni ciungumirio hindi ya mbitika cia imwana itakiritie miaka 18 mwaka muthiru. Kamiti iria iramataga uhuthiri wa mbeca cia muingi ya mbunge umuthi nigeire na giikaro na ministry ya mathako niguo gutariria hihi uria mbeca ciahuthikire. Thenya cia rucini na Mwandiki mukaru ministry ya mathako ambassador Kirimi Kaberia na maafitha angi ministry no mekinya mbere ya kamiti ya mbunge ya PAC.
Kirimi Kaberia do swear that the evidence I shall give before this committee on the matters under its consideration shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God.
No toria gugutanyitwo Kaberia agia na ihinda iritu akiremwo ni gutariria uria afitha wa kamiti ya haragiriria mbitika cia mbeu njithi itakiritie miaka 18 ekirire thairi ya kuhitukia muigana wa ciringi milioni 349 633 321 cia ukui thegia murugamiriri wa wendia Ndogo Duncan ashume gukorwo ho ameba a kamiti no makiuga yari jama ya thugunditwo ni atatu aya.
Mr. Chair, you should tell us whether he was on leave during this time when the director of transport, this engineer Mugunda, was signing on your behalf.
Mr. Chairman, I was not on leave during this time, but we had traveled to Madrid on a factory inspection for the athletics track.
So you gave him permission to sign on your behalf?
No, sir, I did not give him permission.
Okay.
Minutes are signed by these two people.
Yeah.
Mugunda and Ikiru on 14th of September 2017. What would be the explanation? This is way after the event was held.
Payment to parent dry cleaners. In fact, the amount of money that was paid was against what was cleaned, and it is not the 30 million. It is 10 million.
Kurigana na mbunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoronio yeti ati ripoti ya Kaberia ti njithiranu noguo kuuria Kaberia na maafitha ake magoka mehaririria giikaro-ini kiria kirariirio ihinda-ini ria kiumia kimwe.
Tugamuthomera gatiba ni yahuthirirwo mukihe kambuni ino wira aca ndi yahuthirirwo ukanjia ningi gutuhe matuhuhu agakwane na uhoro wa gutengera tondu mathako mokaga na ihenya thirikari ya na miaka 3 ya kuhariria mathako maya koguo gutiri undu ngiokira mundu okia gutwira au na watho ni tondu wa kindu gitagwo agency nie ni ndona pio ni ithako mauma nario na ni tondu ni magucoka kamiti-ini ino tumoria ciuria ingi na twandike report no nginya tuthie na mbere na kumoria ciuria icio nditu niguo andu a Kenya mone wega biu mbeca cia mathako ma youth ya bururi uyu kuri irathie.
Gukiri uguo kamiti ino ni yuritie muthurimi wa mathafu ma thirikari Edward Ouko aheo ihinda riganu ria guthurima riboti iria ministry ineanite na thutha ucio macokio manengerwo kamiti ino niguo gutheria nganja iria ciiyumiririe.
For me, from a procedural perspective, other than the delay in bringing it, is the fact that the Auditor General says he is yet to look at it. If the Auditor General is yet to look at it, it means the Auditor General cannot be of use to us. And it means we can also not be of use to ourselves in examining it. And therefore, procedurally, I think we can't examine it.
Yeah, actually, the only question you will respond to is the one from Honorable Nyoro and Ndindi Nyoro on why there was a delay.
Odoyo okete mwaka umwe tu kuma Kenya yatafania mbitika cia mbeu njithi matakiritie miaka 18 iria ciari na ugaciru wa mwanya o nginyagia gucungiriria Kenya kuheo mweke ungi wa gutafania mbitika ota ici ciaria matakiritie miaka 20 mwaka wa 2020. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Ndogo.